In this video, I will show you how to build a lead magnet landing page on WordPress. First, log in. Log into the WordPress admin panel, go to WordPress site and log in to your dashboard. Install a page builder, install a page builder plugin, install a drag and drop builder such as Elementor or Seed Prod to make the design a lot easier. Create a new page, go to the pages, then add new. Give your page a title, such as free ebook or another title, and then click edit. Edit with your page builder. Design your landing page. Use your page builder to add a headline that clearly states the benefits. Includes a short description of the lead magnet, such as free guides, checklists, ebooks, or any more. Add an eye-catching image or photographic. Insert an opt-in form for collecting names and email addresses that you can outreach to later. Connect an email marketing tool. Link a form to an email marketing platform such as KitConverter, MailChimp or MailerLite to connect and manage all of your leads. Publish and share your page. Click publish to make sure your landing page is live. Share the links in emails, ads and social media to attract more leads. Now you know the easiest and best way to build a lead magnet landing page on WordPress. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.